Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and alright, so I posed a question to you last video as it dawned on me that we could have gotten a false positive, because right here, yes, this is a string, but it's really an integer, right? Or a numeric number. And I pose to you, what is a test that we could do to guarantee that this could be right, even if this was a number inside a string? Because right here we have true, so we ran this and we get a wrong answer here. So alright, and I want to see if anybody has done it, but what the solution is numeric. Alright, cool, spelled it right on the first time. Alright, is numeric, returns true if there are only numeric characters in string. So alright, false if otherwise. So that is that. So now we need to change this to use this method, and the way that we do that, and also we need to change our Boolean answers. So this needs to go to false, this needs to go to true, and then this is just like this. I dot is, I spelled it right the first time, numeric, and just like that. And let's see, is forgot one little thing. You need to change them all to strings. So let's think about that for a second. So this will be a string, and then this is an int. So, well, here, let's just show you. When I was doing this, it's going to fail out because int objects has no attribute. So the reason why that is it's saying the int object, there is no method attribute. We remember that. There is no method, so there is no attribute that can run this. So we need to change all of these to a string, and then we'll check and see if these are numeric or not. So that's why we had to change these to the reverse, because if this is a number, because we wanted this to just list if they were a name. So there we go, true, false, true, false, true, false, and there we go. So this was a nice little touch for a skill that we've already used before. So there we go. And have a couple of ideas of how we're going to go forward. Next video is going to be a trial and error of that. I think what I'm thinking is we'll do more of a weekly of a subject, and we'll have different subject matters and maybe different libraries. So right now, maybe next video I might give out some options and us take in to account which ones we want to do, and we'll go from there. But as always, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the like button if this is the type of video you're interested in, and most important, that notification bell, because we do have videos every single day. And any comments, questions, or my absolute favorite, any video requests, and I'll get right to them. So thanks guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye.